Guys, welcome back. Today we have something super cute. It's a baby born surprise pet, and this is so cute. Apparently there are 8+ surprises. So let's go ahead and get this open. The first thing we're going to do is cut apart the plastic, okay? Because we want to be able to actually get in there. This is such a nice little towel. I am super excited. Okay, so there we go. We have the little instruction tag, and then this is like a little baby book, and it has all the different pages. Let's go ahead and get this open. Okay. And it's stuck. Okay, let's just pull it open. Oh, I see. There's a little elastic underneath. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So there is the little book. Let me just pull that part off. There we go. And inside of here has all the different little information. So that is really cute. Let's just use the scissors here and cut. There we go. Now we can see the baby book. So you can write down, that one's French, that side's English. You can write down your pet's name, place of birth, all of that. That is super cute. Let's move this out of the way. The very first thing you have is this little terry cloth towel. It is quite big. It is so soft. It's got little paw prints and little hearts, so that you can dry your pet off. This I love. Here is the little bubble bath, and it's got the little feet, and the lid is like bubbles. This would be super cute if you have a little doll house. You could put this on for photo shoots or to play when there's a bath, and you can take it off when there's not. So let's get that off. Isn't that cute? I love that. I'm going to keep that. And what do we have in here? Oh, so we have the checklist. So these are all the different pets that you can get and what they change into. It also has their cute little swaddle blankets and little keychains. They're going to come with a pacifier and the keychain attached to the swaddle. And then there's different activities. On this part, you can cut it off. That's the back. And it is your birth certificate that you can keep for your little pet. That is just so cute. And then the little map of where they come from. That is cute. All right, let's get right into the good stuff. We'll pop you right out. Oh, how cute. There she is. There's the little keychain part. Isn't that cute? And she's all wrapped up. And right now, this looks like a little kitty. No. Oh my goodness. It's the little monkey. She has a cute little bow, and there's a little banana on her little tummy. And her little pacifier comes out. Right now, she's sleeping. So we're going to use the water to open up her eyes. She is so cute. Oh, her legs move. Good. And so do her arms for playtime. Look at her sleeping there. That is so cute. And then here is her little towel for when she's all done. Her little PJs to swaddle her. That is just little fluff bum. Oh, I love it. It is so cute. And then here is her little bathtub. Oh, and her little towel to dry her off. But she color changes. So let's go ahead with some ice cold water. Now, I don't have any ice cubes, but I put the water into the freezer. And we're just going to take a little corner of our towel, dip it in, and let's wipe away her eyes and see. Is it going to work with this towel, or do I need paper towel? Oh, it's coming. There we go. Let's rub. Oh, there comes her eyes, guys. Look. Oh, beautiful, beautiful blue eyes. Let's keep scrubbing. Now, once we scrub this off, she will not reclose her eyes. Right now, it looks like she's winking. And let's scrub and scrub. Oh, her eyes are beautiful. Little bits of gray in there. Oh, look at that. Her eyes are precious. Now, she's already starting to change color. So I think we know what she's going to look like when she's really wet. Let's go ahead and put her in. Oh, look at that. They're all soaked. So she's come and become quite a darker color. Oh, her little shirt has become red and her little banana pops up. Her bow is changed from pink to red. Oh my goodness, she is so, so cute. It doesn't last long when she's dunked right in. And then when you touch her, the color immediately starts to change back. Look at her little toes. Oh, she is so, so cute. There's her little pacifier. Let's put that back into her mouth. So we know she's a girl based on the pink pacifier. That's what the instructions say. However, you could call her a little boy. Call it a little boy if you want, because it doesn't matter. It's your little toy, whichever one you like. Look at how cute she is. Look at her little eyes. All right, let's get her all dried up and we'll put her back into her little PJs. Here we go. Oh, she's so cute. Come on, little one. Let's get you all cleaned up. Oh, so pretty. All right, there you go. Now let's put you back into your little pajamas, little swaddles. Oh my goodness, this is so, so cute. Oh, her tail moves too. There you go, all nice and tucked in after your bath. So now for the 8 surprises, there's apparently this little keychain is one of them. The swaddle is 2, the towel is 3, the pacifier is 4, the color change is 5, the banana, I guess, on her tummy is 6, and then 7, 8 for her eyes. I don't see any other surprises, but I absolutely love this little set. This is just so, so cute. And the little bathtub is perfect for your dollhouse. If you don't have a bathtub, you can put that right in your dollhouse, and then you can pop that back on top, and it looks like they're having a bubble bath. Well, that's it for now, guys. I hope you had a great time. I'll see you next time. Bye.